Hello everyone, welcome to Designography. Today, we're going to create an eye-catching poster. Whether you're a Photoshop newbie or looking to polish your skills, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's jump right in. To start, we need a new document. Head over to File, New. For a poster, I'm choosing 1920 by 1080 pixels with a resolution of 300 pixels per inch. Once you've got that, hit Create. Create a new layer for our poster background. Pick your color and fill with it. Now go to Filter and add some noise to the background. Next, we'll bring in the images we'll be working with. Go to File, Place Embedded, and select your images. Or drag your image in Photoshop. I'm using an image of a model. To get the model image only without background, go to Select, then go to Subject. Now copy the select and paste it in our poster. Resize and arrange them as you like. Duplicate the layer and hide the front layer for now. With our images in place, create a new black and white fill. Then, clip it with our layer. Select both layers and convert it to Smart Object. Let's add some text to our poster. Select the text tool and type your message. Customize the font, size, and color to fit your design. Then select the model layer and add a mask. Then go to the text layer and select Pixels. Then go to Select and make it inverse. To refine the mask, we'll use the Brush tool. Select the Brush tool, set your foreground color to black, and start painting over the areas you want to hide. Make sure the layer mask is selected. Adjust the brush size and hardness for better control. Now, unhide our front model layer and create a clipping mask. Go to Text layer, customize the font, add some effects and color to fit your design. Add any final touches or effects to complete your poster. And there you have it, a striking poster design using masking in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Your feedback is important, so please leave a comment and let us know what you think. Sharing this video with your network really helps us grow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with something else, something new.